Morning to all. I am M. Kirtana. Today my seminar topic is uses of break-even point and profit forecasting. Uses of break-even point. Safety margin. The safety margin refers to the extent to which a firm can afford a decline before its incurring losses. The break-even chart helps to make a profit generator at the various levels of sales. Safety margin is equal to sales minus break-even point divided by sales into 100. Value needed to attain target profit. Break-even analysis can be used to calculate the value of sales to achieve the profit. Target sales value is equal to fixed cost plus target profit divided by contribution margin per unit. Change in price. Managers can decide to most suitable selling prices by analyzing how price changes affect profit. Qn is equal to Fc plus P divided by Sp minus Vc, where Qn is equal to new volume of sales, Fc is equal to fixed cost, P is equal to profit, Sp is equal to new selling price, Vc is equal to variable cost per unit. Change in cost if variable cost changes, and increases in variable cost leads to reduction in contribution margin. In such a case, increases volume of sales, alternatively to increase volume of price to maintain a present profit. In fixed cost change, an increase in fixed cost of a firm may be changed either by external circumstance, example, increase in taxes, and managerial decisions. In both cases, the effect has to rise the break-even point of the firm, assuming no changes in price. There is no changes in price. To expand capacity or not, the management is often increasing the production capacity through installation of additional equipment. The break-even analysis helps to examine the various implications. The effect of alternative prices. The break-even point becomes lower with every increases in price. But in practice, it is not possible to work out profit to be realized by a firm. For example, a price of rupees 9 per unit worth of demand of rupees 8,000 units will be more profitable than that rupees 7 will with a demand of 5,000 units. At every price, it is guided by the experience and judgment, make or buy decisions and or drop decisions, useful in choosing different alternatives such as launching new product, closing an unprofitable segment, or outsourcing production. Choosing product mix. A seller often uses several modes of sales promotion, example, decorational, personal, sellings, advertisement, etc. Before taking decisions, the seller has to be considered so much of the amount spent. The break-even analysis enables the appropriate decisions. Equipment selections. At different levels of production, different capacity machines have to be used. Only if correct type of machines are used, it makes profit. For example, there are different machines used in printing industry. Thus, the break-even analysis is used to compare different ways of doing jobs. Production planning. Break-even analysis helps in production planning. This enables maximum contribution towards profit and fixed cost. Profit forecasting. Profit forecasting refers to the process of estimating the future level of profit a business is expected to earn based on factors like production cost, price levels, market demand, competitions, and economic conditions. Profit forecasting is mainly used for planning, budgeting, and marketing strategic decisions to ensure the business remains profit. Methods or approaches of profit forecasting. Geraldine has identified 3 approaches: spot projection, break-even analysis, environmental analysis. Methods or approaches of profit forecasting. Geraldine has identified 3 approaches: Spot projections, break-even analysis, environmental analysis. Spot projections. This approach involves projecting the entire profit and loss statement for the specified future period. Managers make forecasts about future sales volume, selling prices, and cost of producing expected sales. Profit is then estimating as a residual between total projected revenue and total projected cost. Errors is estimating individual elements can accumulate and affect accuracy. Break-even analysis. This period ensures the break-even concept to analyze the relationship between revenue, cost, and output. It helps to identify the level of output or sales at which the firm will start making a profit. Managers can see how changes in cost, prices, and output level affect profit. Analysis approaches. This approaches links profit directly to output and cost. Analysis. This approaches relates a firm profit to external environmental variables such as economic growth, inflation, market and industry conditions. These variables are external to the firm and often behind its control, but they significantly influence profit levels. Managers analyze how changes in the economic environment may affect future profit.